I'm Dr. Chris Cook, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon at Advanced Orthopedics and Spine at Summit Medical Center. Actually, I'm from Nashville. I went to Hillwood High School and actually attended undergraduate at Belmont University. After Belmont, I went to the University of Tennessee in Memphis, where I finished first in my class. And following medical school, I went to residency in the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, where I did my orthopedic training. I chose orthopedic surgery for a lot of reasons. Part of it was I liked the surgical aspect of medical care. I found that working with my hands and seeing really concrete results for what I had done was very satisfying for me. I found orthopedics very interesting because I was always interested in sports and that kind of thing. And for the most part, the main reason is probably the outcomes, the fact that most of the problems that we see we can fix, and we tend to have a really good result. Sometimes it's just a matter of some medications or some advice, but if it comes to the point of surgery, we tend to be able to fix whatever we're trying to fix, and people get back to what they want to do, and that's very satisfying. One of the nice things about what I do is the human side of it, and really getting to know your patients. And one patient that comes to mind is a gentleman who was riding a dirt bike and actually had an accident in which he was flipped and the motorcycle landed on his knee. I remember myself and one of the vascular surgeons working on his leg in the middle of the night to try to save the leg. We stabilized it. He had a procedure to restore blood flow to his leg, and over the next 6 or 9 months, after multiple surgeries, he's back walking and doing everything he needs to do in life. And during that process, I got to know his entire family. And I have 2 children, Savannah and Austin. They're typical kids that like to have fun and joke around and keep me busy most of the time when I'm not here. My wife is the smart one in the family. She's actually a professor of cancer biology at Vanderbilt. So she spends most of her time trying to cure breast cancer, and we're hopeful that she'll make progress in that regard someday. But it's between the 2 of us, there's not a lot of time for family. We always try to make time and find a way to spend as much time with the kids as we can when we're not working. I did quite a bit of running over the years as well and completed 3 full marathons. However, I have recently started cycling, and I found that very satisfying and very demanding as well.